I never dreamed of it. Pour the sweet potato starch into boiling water. It is a delicious traditional food when it comes out of the pot. And refreshing, smooth and fragrant, nutritious. My 80-year-old grandfather especially loves this dish. Every now and then he asks me to make it for him. I will share the detailed method with you. Let's take a look at how it is done. This is me from the supermarket. Sweet potato starch bought for 3 yuan. Sweet potato starch tastes better than potato starch. Tastes better, and it's more nutritious. Grandpa always made it himself when he was a kid. If you want to eat now, you can only buy it in an appropriate amount of starch and put it into a large amount of water. The amount of water is about 1.5 times that of sweet potato starch. Then mix well with chopsticks. Just stir until there are no particles. Then add a spoonful of salt. Stir well with chopsticks again. Just let the salt melt. Stir well and set aside for later use. Next, prepare a red pepper and then cut it in half. Remove the chili seeds in the middle. Then divide it into 4. Then cut the red pepper into small rhombus-shaped pieces. Prepare another green pepper, also cut in half the same way. Remove green pepper seeds. And then we cut it into little diamonds. Green and red peppers are not just spicy. To match the colors, make the fried dishes more colorful. Cut it all and put it in a bowl for later use. Next, prepare a few cloves of garlic. Slice the garlic. Then chop the garlic into minced garlic. Put the chopped minced garlic in a small bowl and set aside. Next, add a little cooking oil to the pot. Then add a small amount of water to it. After the water boils, pour the starch water into the pot. Then gently push with a shovel. Let it be heated evenly. Slowly cook the starch until it solidifies. Keep stirring here. Dear friends, you can see the video here. I teach cooking very carefully every day. If you think my video, if it helps you, please extend your rich hand and give me a like. Your every message and forwarding is what keeps me going. Thank you for your continued support and encouragement. At this time, we see some white places. These places are not yet ripe. Flip it more. Add a little cooking oil to the pot. This will make the fried water starch more fragrant. And finally, we fry the starch until it becomes clear like this. While frying, they keep moving. Fry it slowly. Finally, add all the starch. It's all transparent like this. That's it. We serve it out and put it on a plate. Let it cool naturally. Let it cool and put it on the cutting board. Then cut it into long strips like this. The width is about 2 to 3 cm. The starch cut out in this way is as tender as tofu. It's very resilient. And then we cut it into little diamonds. Cut it all and put it in a bowl for later use. Next, we mix a sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce to a small bowl. A small spoonful of oyster sauce. Add a little chicken essence. A little sugar to freshen up. Then add a little sesame oil to enhance the fragrance. Finally, add a small half bowl of water. Then stir well with a spoon. Let the seasoning melt. Add a little cooking oil to the pot. After the oil is hot, pour the minced garlic down and fry until fragrant. After frying, add the green and red peppers and continue to stir fry. Fry the green and red peppers until they fry. After frying, pour the sweet potato starch chunks into the pot. All the ingredients are also added. Then turn to high heat and quickly stir fry evenly. Because starch is salted first, it's already tasty in there. We just turn it and mix it well. Let it absorb the sauce. Give it more flips here. Let it taste. Wait until the soup inside is thick. Our sweet potato starch is almost ready. Next, you can take it out of the pot and put it on a plate. I didn't expect it. Ordinary sweet potato starch is so delicious. Soft, waxy cube, smooth and refreshing. No wonder the older generation likes to eat. If you feel good too, just collect it and try it. Like my video. Remember to like and follow the message and forward it. See you in the next video.